Right now, right during this course, maybe take a second before you start the next video, put it in your notes. I want you to start thinking of at least 2 or 3 ways that you can exceed your customers' expectations. Now, am I talking about you stealing a bunch of stuff and throwing it in their order? No, it's going to get you fired, maybe even put in jail. Am I talking about you lowering your price? Absolutely not. Who wants to do that, right? It goes on my commission, how I'm going to make money. I'm talking about exceeding their expectations. You don't have to give them more stuff. You don't have to lower the price. Maybe it's something as simple as if you're selling to a business, every time you make a sale to that business, you go on Google or Yelp or whatever the hot review site is at the time and leave that business a 5-star review, right? You know how huge that is? Do you know how much value that is to a business? They are the greatest dealership in the city. You have to work with them. Go see my friend Tony. They're going to see your name under the Google review, 5 stars. Give the customer some actionable feedback about why that's a great business. Maybe somebody buys from you and you go and find them on LinkedIn. Maybe you're already connected with them on LinkedIn. Write them a recommendation. Susan is the best vice president of advertising I have worked with. She's sharp as a tack. She's enthusiastic. She's on the ball. She knows how to get things done. Again, how long does it take you to write that? Like a minute? And think about the value, the exceeding the expectations that you're providing for your client. They thought they were just going to get great service from you. They thought they were just going to get a great solution from you. They thought they were just going to work with the most spectacular salesperson they've ever worked with. And now they've got a Google review sending them business. Or now they've got a bright, shiny referral on LinkedIn that tells the world how great they are. Take a second right now. Write down 2 or 3 ways that you can exceed expectations. I just gave you 2 of them, Google review, LinkedIn, right? Think of one more. Exceed expectations.
The world of sales has completely changed. Today's customer has access to more information. Today's customer has more choices. The business world needs you. Studies have shown that 84% of salespeople fail to achieve their goals. The old sales training, well, it just doesn't work today. I'd like to teach you how to take the stress out of selling in a way that's meaningful to you and your customers and get you 7 times more business. I'll show you how the perfect sales process works. I'm going to walk you through everything from prospecting to closing the deal. I'm going to show you how to determine your prospects' wants and their needs so you can build value in your solutions. You will learn how to handle any objection or complaint. I'm going to show you how to connect with your customer so it's easy for them to buy from you. I've taught the best companies in the world and thousands of people just like you how to hit their targets. Selling is complicated. I'll simplify it for you. There's more competition than ever before. I'm going to show you how to be number 1. All of a sudden, your career is going to make perfect sense, even if you've never worked in sales or the corporate world before. And for the advanced sales professionals, I'm going to show you how to take things to the next level. Easton University is a new, simple, step-by-step process that's effective in any industry, large or small. You are about to become a certified master sales consultant. I'm Matt Easton, and this is Easton University.